Hello, what is up once again everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the recolor of the Lotus Emira, number 3 out of 5 from Hot Wheels Factory Fresh, and number 121 out of 250. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So basically this is the second time we got this casting in mainline and 0 times in car culture, but it's still fine. Maybe it may be added to car culture soon or later, I hope so. Maybe in the Speed Machines lineup it would be pretty cool to see this in Speed Machines. But yeah, overall we've gotten this 2 times in mainline, which is cool, I guess. We had the blue one as its first release, which is basically like more like the main color of this car, and now we got it in this sort of like, I don't know, magma red, sort of like that. But overall seems pretty nice. It's like this reddish orange, sort of like volcano vibe. I don't know, it's like a darker color than a magma red, I guess. Yeah, sort of like that. But overall seems pretty clean from what I'm telling right now, because it's very nice, even though Mattel hasn't started to, like, I don't know, make it a racing livery or something like that. It still looks pretty cool, and nonetheless I'm not sure whether the blue one's better. I think maybe this one wins over the blue one. I'm not entirely sure, but judging by the color, yeah, I think this one wins, but I'm not sure about everything else. But yeah, let's take a look at the car itself right now. So yeah, here it is, the Lotus Emira. As you can see, it has the chrome silver rims that I think we've gotten on the first release of the Emira. The same type of rims, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, pretty cool. And then you have this side air intake right there for airflow. Obviously aerodynamics, pretty cool. And then yeah, obviously this whole part of the hood, I mean the windshield, the roof, and also the side windows are basically plastic. As you can see, it's fully transparent except for the roof. They kind of did in this texture, I don't know, it's like rough texture, sort of like that on the roof, which is kind of cool, I guess. Yeah, extra detail right there, pretty nice. Moving on to the front, we actually got headlights, of course, basically ported from the blue version, the original one. The first launch, we got headlights basically, and then we have that tiny Lotus logo right there, as you can see. Not sure if you can see it or not. There you go, there it is. And then we have the front grille, which is obviously detailed, of course, basically from the base and also from the interior. And overall pretty nice, judging by the front. Kind of reminds me of the old Lotuses, the Elise. Kind of reminds me of that for some reason. And then moving on to the back, yeah, you can see the rear lights right there. Honestly pretty cool, but yeah, I can see that mine has a bit of a defect, if I'm not mistaken. It's like, it's halfway, it's not really halfway. I think they've like missed to color it fully. It's meant to like go over and through from this side to this side, basically, that like lining, but sadly it's not really fully covered, as you can see right there. But it's a minor detail. I'm not entirely sure if you can notice it from far, but yeah, maybe a slight error, as you can see. Yeah, but you do have the rear lights, and you do have that Lotus text on the back right there, which is pretty good detail. You have some diffusers at the bottom right here, which is kind of cool. And yeah, overall pretty nice. You have the interior there, I'm not entirely sure. Sort of like black interior right there, as you can see. It looks pretty cool. And then moving on to the base, we have a black base basically. Lotus Emira, made in Malaysia, 2022 Mattel. And I forgot to mention, this is from the E-case of 2023. I forgot to mention that, sorry. But yeah, overall quite an amazing casting, but expecting it to have another recolor is just hopefully it's not too much, at least. Like if it were to release in different colors without anything on the car, that may be a red flag. I'm not sure, but yeah, these type of castings, some people like it, some people don't, but yeah, we have our own opinions, but still, overall, it's such a nice car, to be honest. But hopefully Mattel doesn't do anything wrong with it. Like if they kind of do make it in car culture, it would be fine at least, but please not another like recolor, or maybe like another inclusion of this in another series. It would be fine if it were to be in another series or so, but I don't know, maybe it's an underrated supercar, to be honest. I mean, supercar, hypercar, sort of. But yeah, judging by the Avaya, it seems pretty cool. Hopefully this will be a hit once it comes to stores like in the US or maybe Australia or so, and maybe many other countries, of course. But yeah, overall it's quite a nice car, just that hopefully Mattel doesn't do anything else with more of these castings. Maybe do something creative with it, release it in at least car culture. If it's not premium, then maybe release it in, I don't know, maybe like the premium line, like the theme assorted sets. Who knows, it would be a hit with that. Maybe 5 packs, it would be nice, and make it exclusive if they want. But overall, this is such a nice car, very, very cool. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.